One of the coolest features which is specific to macOS and you cannot find in Windows is hot corners. Let's see what a hot corner is. Each of four corners of the screen is a hot corner, and you can define what should happen if you move your mouse cursor to a specific corner. For example, this corner or that corner or any of these four corners. So we should go to System Preferences, which is like Control Panel in Windows, and find Hot Corners. So I find Hot Corner, Hot Corners. So Hot Corner is here, this button. Then I can assign anything, any action to the four corners. For example, I define this corner, the lower right corner, to Launchpad. Okay, so I can design it to Launchpad or Dashboard, or again to Launchpad, and then see that in action. Okay, so if I move my cursor to this corner, see what happens. You see that I can see the Launchpad because I defined it as Launchpad. In this way, you can assign each of these four corners to a specific action. Now, whenever I want to open the Launchpad, I just need to move my mouse cursor to this corner. Okay, a little problem here is that if I move my mouse mistakenly by mistake to a corner, that action will happen. In order to prevent that, you can press a key like Command or Shift before defining that hot corner. In this way, only if that button is pressed when you move to that corner, the corresponding action takes effect. Let's see that in action. So for this hot corner, I assign Command as well as Launchpad. Okay, in this case, if I go to this corner, nothing happens. But if I press my Command key when I move my cursor to this corner, in that case, only Launchpad is triggered and is shown. There are a bunch of other actions that you can define here. For example, you can go to desktop whenever you move your cursor to this position, or to make dashboard appear, or the notification center, or put your display to sleep, or to lock a screen. Okay, for desktop, my shortcut is Command, and I'm moving my cursor to this corner, to the upper left. So let's see that in action. Okay, see,